Hey guys, I'm Ray.
And I'm Jason.
And we have partnered with 3-in-1 to bring you this video. So 3-in-1 sent us a couple products to try out, which we're pretty excited about. But this video is going to be specifically about 3-in-1 RVcare Rubber Seal Conditioner. So this couldn't have come at a better time, actually, because we just got some service work done on our RV, and the service manager gave us a friendly talking to that our seals needed some love.
Since we full-time, it's been one of those tasks that we've just kind of put off, even though it's super simple. And at the service center, we even had to have one of our slide seals replaced because we didn't take care of it. So let's go ahead and show you how to do it.
As we said before, our seals weren't in good shape, and they were dry enough to leave black marks on our rig. We washed those marks off so we could have a clean start. We then wiped down our seals with soapy water and rinsed. We dried the seals completely and then applied the 3-in-1 RVcare Rubber Seal Conditioner. You can spray the seals directly from the can and wipe them down, or use the permanent Smart Straw nozzle for more control. We actually prefer to spray the product directly into a rag and then wipe down the seals with the moist rag. We also use the 3-in-1 RVcare Rubber Seal Conditioner on the rubber seals around our windows to prevent them from sticking. Don't forget your seals inside as well. We highly recommend spraying the product directly into a rag when using it indoors to prevent overspray or getting it on your walls. All right, and that's truly how simple it is to do, which for us is a big plus because, as Jason said earlier, on the smaller maintenance items we're not very good at, but your rubber seals really are super important in the long run. And one of the benefits that we did like about this product is it has UV inhibitors, so it will prevent the cracking and the wear and tear like we already had to replace one of our seals with.
Another great benefit is this formula is water resistant, so it won't just get washed off the next time you wash your RV or rainstorm, and that makes us super happy because it's just one thing that we have to do less often.
And as you saw in our step-by-step process of how we use this product, we do use it on our rubber seals around our window. So if you're getting that sticking when you crank open your window, this is a great product to stop that and then also protect the life of those rubber seals as well. And then the last thing that we really do like about this product is that it has the nozzle up front, and then if you need to get into tighter places, it has the straw nozzle as well, which is really helpful when you're moving quickly like we always tend to be.
So another great thing about this product, if you're out on the road, is that it is available at most Walmart in the RV section, or you can check our link below and purchase it there.
Yes, so if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to join our getaway gang. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.